So yesterday, a few of you struggled with knowing how to properly turn in the attendance, and I want to show you how to do that this morning. To access the attendance question, there's two ways to do it. You'll either see it on your stream. You'll see Erica Henry posted a new question, attendance Tuesday 4/7/2020. Or, as it says in the instructions, you can click on the classwork tab, go to the daily attendance section, and find today's attendance. When you do that, though, you do need to click View Question. Same thing in the stream. The stream takes you directly to it, where if you go to the Classwork tab, it'll look like this, and you need to click View Question. You'll read the question. Today's attendance question: what are you feeling nervous about with online distance learning? What are you looking forward to? Use the space to the right to write your response. When you are done, click Turn In. Some of you guys were putting in the class comments, or you were putting it in the private comments. You should not write your answer here, and you should not write your answer here. You'll pick this where it says type your answer. You'll respond, and when you're done responding, you'll click Turn In. So again, you can access it either on your stream by just clicking on the attendance question, or by going to the Classwork tab, finding the attendance question. You'll have to view question, read the question, respond, and click Turn In.